What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And a while back, we found out that Milwaukee Tool had purchased the Imperial Blade Company. And in previous videos, we tested out a whole bunch of their blades. So this day was inevitable. The day where we'd have an awesome amount of made in the USA oscillating blades put into a little combo kit here and sold it like an unbelievably reasonable price. It's product number 49-10-9125. 8 blades in one package for an unbelievable price. We're gonna tell you all about it right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Now, full disclosure, the toothed blades, or the blades with teethuses, 1, 4, 5, 6, are made in the USA with global materials. The two scraper blades, which actually can be I've never used this brand scraper blade. Matter of fact, I've never used any of these blades, these brand blades. Never, not once. But scraper blades in the past, in my opinion, are very, very useful, especially if you're scraping up VCT tile. You get a little bit of a heat on that tile and get your oscillating tool with the scraper blade, boom, comes up like butter. Milwaukee's claiming this is over $100 value. Now, if you were to buy a 3-pack of carbide tipped blades from another manufacturer, for those 3 blades, you're spending $40. Now, none of these look to be carbide blade. I will let you know that this single blade here, made for wood with nails, is titanium enhanced. These blades have a universal fit, fast wood cutting. These are meant for just wood, not wood with nails. It's my belief you can also cut PVC and drywall with those blades as well. We also have a 2.5-inch blade of the same style, so it's a little bit wider. You'll be able to cut larger amounts quicker. The titanium enhanced blade, okay, it's down here, it's a single. It was probably the most expensive of the blades. That blade is good for wood with nails, copper, PVC, and drywall. That's an 1 3/8 as well. And because it's titanium enhanced, it's saying it will last 15 times longer than the standard blades. The 2-piece fast material remover scraper blades, okay, you have a flexible and you have a stiff or rigid. It says it includes an adapter for Dremel models, MM45 and MM50. These are not Starlock capable, okay, be mindful of that if you got the Starlock design oscillating tool, but they will fit Milwaukee, DeWalt, Rockwell, Rigid, Makita, Craftsman, Ryobi, Porter Cable, Dremel, Fine, and Bosch. I'm gonna go right for the 2.5. I'm gonna pop this blade on to our oscillating tool. Fits the tool good, looks machined well. Let's cut some stuff. Not a bad job. Here's the thing. This wider blade, I'm able to make a single pass. Is an oscillating tool the best tool to cut PVC? Well, I will tell you this much. If it's inside a wall, in between, a joist bay or inside a wall, inside of stud bay, it may be the only thing to get in there and be effective. I know what you're thinking, but how does it do with wood? I gotta tell you, I can't remember if I told everyone how much these blades cost. This entire package, it says it's $100 value. These were like $29.99 for all 8 blades. I believe it offers a pretty doggone good value. the last maybe two, three cuts, I really was going for as much speed as possible to see how it would do. Would it start to heat up the woods? Would it start to smoke? You see we have no burning here. These are extremely sharp and they really do a great job of cutting that clean wood. I know what you're thinking now though. Let's see something a little bit tougher. Here's the deal. We're gonna put this titanium coated blade on. It's almost like the titanium blade has a thicker kerf, very aggressive. Let's see how it does cutting this PVC. Now remember, it's not gonna be as wide, so we're not gonna be able to cut straight through like we were with the other blade. Let's see how it does. Not bad. Pretty good. But I know what you want to see, how it does with nails. Before we do that though, it says it's rated for copper. Copper's not cheap, so I'm gonna cut a little bit off at a time. Now, is that the cleanest cut? No, sure isn't. But I'll tell you this much, let's just say you couldn't get your full-size copper tubing cutter into a space. Could you get in there with this oscillating tool and this blade? Yeah, sure, why not? Emery cloth, clean that up, pretty cool. Now, it's time for some nails. Wow. That did pretty doggone good. Look at those teefuses, plenty left. I will tell you this much. For $30, I think that Milwaukee's offering a tremendous value. If I had to take a guess, these are definitely just Milwaukee branded. These are manufactured by Imperial, who is known for making really good oscillating tool blades. And if you like getting a tremendous value, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do, and it helps out the channel immensely. Also, leave it down in the comments section below. Have you tried out these new Milwaukee oscillating tool blades? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Do you rather have the Imperial branded? Who's your favorite producer of oscillating tool blades? We want to know. Leave it down below. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.